Congratulations on starting your treatment at Holliday Ortho. It is a big day for you. This video is to aid you in the success of your orthodontic treatment. You will receive a home care kit. Inside you will find an electric toothbrush. Please brush at least 3 times a day for 2 minutes, with the added recommendation of brushing after every snack. A travel brush will also be provided for you to take to school or work. In addition, you will find floss, a pack of floss threaders, a pack of platypus, and a proxy brush, also known as an in-between brush. These items will help get the food out in hard-to-reach places. With the proxy brush, bend the tip of the brush as shown. Begin by inserting the bristles behind the wire and brush up and down. With the platypus, use the flat end, insert behind wire between the teeth, and floss up and down. With the floss threader, insert floss through the loop as shown. Pull halfway through. Insert threader behind wire between brackets and floss like you normally would. When using the electric toothbrush that was provided in your kit, brush placement is important. Place the brush head towards all sides of the bracket to ensure all areas are clean. We have included a mirror in your kit to aid you in checking the back area if your wires are poking or scratching you. If you have a wire poking or scratching, or your braces are bothering your lips or cheeks, dry the area with a paper towel. Take a piece of the orthodontic wax. Using your fingertips to soften the wax, roll it into a pea-sized ball. Place and push over the designated area that's causing you any discomfort. We've included a sample of Colgate Paraxol, which is a medicated mouth rinse that can be used for any oral sores that you may get during your orthodontic treatment. Warm saltwater rinses will help just as well. In your kit, you will also find 2 types of mouth rinses. The first is a Crest Pro Health Anti-Cavity Fluoride Mouthwash. This can be used daily throughout your day. The second rinse is Colgate Phos Fleur. This will be used in the evenings after brushing and flossing. You will swish vigorously for 60 seconds and spit out. Please avoid drinking water afterwards. Also included in this kit is a holiday menu. This includes a list of foods that you may enjoy during your orthodontic treatment. In order to encourage our patients to do their part, Holliday Ortho has created a Smile Rewards program. This program you'll earn points at every appointment. To register your Smile Rewards card, log on to the website located on the back of the card. We also recommend visiting your dentist every 6 months for dental cleanings. We offer the option to remove your wires prior to getting your cleanings done to make things easier for the hygienist to clean around your braces. A dental certificate will be given to you to bring to your general dentist. Have your dentist fill it out and bring it back to our office for additional points on your Smile Rewards card. It is normal to experience a dull and achy sensation. Please feel free to take Tylenol, ibuprofen, or any other type of pain medication that you feel comfortable taking. Emergencies in orthodontics are extremely rare. Broken brackets, loose appliances, or pokey wires are not considered emergencies. Emergencies are if you are having a problem that is causing you severe discomfort that cannot wait until the next working day. Minor irritations, poking wires, loose brackets, or bands should be addressed during our regular business hours. We'll be happy to assist you and schedule you in as soon as we can. We ask that you come in at specific intervals for us to monitor your progress. If you need to make a change, please give us a call as soon as possible, and we will reschedule your appointment. Please note that excessive no-shows or cancellations of your appointment may lead to prolonged treatment. Cooperation and good dental hygiene are a big part of successful orthodontic treatment. Now that you have started your treatment, be sure to share with your friends and family the smile journey that you will be taking. As a thank you for referring patients like you to our office, you will receive 250 points on your Smile Rewards card. Please remember to bring in your card or show us that you've downloaded the app on your mobile device to receive bonus points. We at Holliday Ortho want to thank you for allowing us to be a part of your smile journey. We look forward in creating a beautiful, confident smile. Mahalo nui loa.